Students, in this part, I am going to discuss the anglism property of triangle as well as two special kind of triangle. So first, let's start with the anglism property of this triangle. It is said that total sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, which means if we consider a triangle ABC, angle A, angle B, angle C, we can name the angles as angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. According to this property, sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, this is what this property said. Now we need to show this property is true. That means what are the things we have given? Given angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 are angles of triangle ABC. And here I am going to take the exterior angle property to prove this one. So I extended this BC to a point D. Okay. Now I have got here one exterior angle that is given name as angle 4. So one more quantity is given, that is angle 4 is an exterior angle. Angle 4 is an exterior angle. What we need to show? We need to show that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. This is what we need to show. Sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degree. Now first I am going to take the help of exterior angle property, which is we already have shown. So that one is, we can write that angle 1 plus angle 2. Sum of these two opposite interior angles is equal to the exterior angle. Am I right? That is what exterior angle property says. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Which property? Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Now I am going to add 3 to the both side of this equation to get the LHS in this form. Angle 1 plus 2 plus 3. So adding angle 3 to both sides to get what I will get here, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus, I am going to add first 3 to LHS equal to, what is the term given in RHS? Angle 4 plus here also I am going to add 3, angle 3. Now LHS we have got. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, which is equal to, what is angle 4 plus 3? You see here BC, okay, and D, and A is here, right? I am considering only this portion, I am not joining this one. Now BD is a line because D is formed because of the extension of BC. So BD is a line and A is standing on that. What can you say about these two angles, which you already learned in the previous chapter, lines and angles? We can say that these two angles are adjacent angles, as well as their non-common arms forms a straight line. That means they are linear pair angles. Angle 3 and angle 4 are linear pair angles. What can you say about the property of linear pair angles? They are supplementary. That means sum of the two linear pair angles is equal to 180 degree. 180. We can say that linear pair angles. Now we have verified this one. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Hence verified. Okay, so this is all about this property. Let's take some questions from exercise 6.3. Here find the value of unknown x in the following diagrams. X we have to find it. According to anglism property, x plus 60 plus 50, sum of these three interior angles, is equal to 180 degree. Okay, angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property. Then just add these two numbers. So we get x plus 60 plus 50 is equal to 110, which is equal to 180 degree. Now you have a simple equation. So just to solve the simple equation to get the value of x. Therefore x equal to 180. Bring this plus 170 to the RHS. That means transposing from LHS to RHS. Plus 110 is equal to minus 110. Therefore, 180 minus 110 is equal to, what is the difference? 70 degree. Very simple one. Let's take one more option. This is option number 1. I am taking one more option from this question. Option number 6. Option number 6. Here sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property. So x plus, what is the second angle given here? 2x. Plus here, what is that it indicate? Perpendicular means it is 90 degree. 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now x plus 2x is equal to 3x plus 90, which is equal to 180 degree. 3x is equal to 180. Transpose this plus 90 to the RHS, it will be minus 90. Therefore, 3x is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 itself. Now we need to separate this 3 from this x. For that, transpose this 3 to RHS. So transposing 3 to RHS, it will be multiply the 3 multiplied to x will become divided. That is 90 divided by 3. 90 divided by 3 is equal to 30. So we have got the value of x in both the cases. Let's take the second question. In second question, find the values of unknown x and y. Two variables is there. So we cannot directly apply the angle sum property because two variables. So first find the y by using linear pair property, which we have already learned in previous chapter. That is y plus 120. They are linear pairs. So sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. Am I right? They are supplementary. Y and 120 are linear pair angles. Linear pair. Linear pair. So you have a simple equation in terms of the variable y. So solve it. Y is equal to 180 plus 120 take into right side, it will be minus 120. 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. So now you have got the value of y is equal to 6. So this is now it is become non-value 60. Now you can easily find the x by using angle sum property. So that is first step is over. In the second step, x plus 50 plus 60. Y you already know now. Okay, 60 which is equal to 180 degree according to angle sum property. Angle sum property. So what will you get here? Therefore, x plus 50 plus 60 is equal to plus 100. Okay, which is equal to 180 degree. You have a simple equation, solve it. That implies x is equal to 180 plus 110 take into right side, it will be minus 110, which is equal to 70 degree. So now we go to the value of both x as well as y. Okay, let's take one more option. Option number 6. Here nothing is given, only x, y. Here how will you find the answer? Because nothing is given as a measurement of angle. Only x and y is given. What can you say about this angle? X. Because vertically opposite. What can you say about this angle? X. What about y and x? They are vertically opposite. So y equal to x. Because vertically opposite angles. So this is become x. This angle also become x. Because vertically opposite angles. So now we got all the interior angles of this triangle is x. Therefore we can say that x plus x which is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Angle sum property. I am writing in the short form. X plus x 2x, 2x plus x 3x. 3 times of x, which is equal to 180 degree. Now separate this 3 from x. So for that, transport this 3 from LHS to RHS. So multiply 3 multiplied to x will become divided by 3, which is equal to 60. As x equal to 60, then what can you say about y? Y is equal to x. Already we have that. Means both values are same. Y also 60. Very simple. So now we completed some questions from exercise 6.3. Remaining options you can try yourself. Next topic I am going to discuss two special kinds of triangle. They are equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. You may already know about these two types of triangle, but here we are going to discuss some more properties of these two triangles. First one is equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? A triangle in which all sides are of equal length. For example, if we take a triangle, okay, then all the sides are equal. All the sides are of equal length. Then what about isosceles? Isosceles means a triangle with the two sides are of equal length, not three sides. For example, if we take a triangle here like this, you can see these two sides are adjacent sides are equal. This is the difference between equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. Basic difference. Here all the three sides are equal. Here any two sides are equal. Third side is not equal to the equal sides. Now next property. As because of all the sides are equal, all the its interior angles also equal. That means this is 60 degree. This is also 60 degree. And this is also will be 60 degree. Then 60 plus 60 plus 60 equal to 180 degree. It satisfies the angle sum property. While in case of isosceles triangle, base angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. That means these two angles are equal, base angles. These are the two base angles, and this side is generally known as base. All sides are base with respect to the altitude, but for isosceles triangle, this is base. And this angle, this angle is actually called as vertical angle. Vertical angle. And these two are base angles, equal angles. Suppose if it is, for example, if it is 40 degree, then it will be 40 degree. Then we can easily find the vertical angle that will be equal to 100 degree. Because 100 plus 40 plus 40, 180 degree to satisfy the angle sum property. So this is all about you have to remember an angle property of these two kind of triangles. Next one is each pair of median and altitudes are same. That means if you draw a median from this vertex, suppose we give it as A, B, C, okay, D. You have drawn a median, that means it is dividing into two equal parts. Then that median will be the altitude of this triangle. That means median and altitude of the equilateral triangle are same. Similarly, if you draw a median from here, okay, then that also will become altitude of that base. That means each pair of median and altitude are equal. That means three pairs. While in case of isosceles triangle, one pair of median and altitude are same. That means you have drawn an altitude from here, this vertex, okay, ABC. Suppose you have drawn ABC, then this altitude you can give it as AD. So this altitude AD will become equal to its median. Median AD and median altitude are both are same. While if you draw a median from the vertex C, it will be like this. Am I right? It bisect or it will be joined with the midpoint of opposite side. But if you draw an altitude from the C, it will be go like this. It is perpendicular to the. That means in that case, altitude and median are not same. Only one pair of median and altitude are same. Next one is all the medians are of same length. If you draw AD, AE and another median, here it is F. That means AD is equal to BF is equal to CE. Three medians are there, am I right? These three medians are same. While in case of isosceles triangle, two medians are same. That means AD, CE and one more median if you drawn from here to here, F. So CE and BF, these two medians are same. CE is equal to BF. These two medians are same. The medians which is drawn from this base side are same, but that is not equal to the median 8. Only two medians are same. In case of altitude also the same condition. All the three altitudes are same because the median which is drawn from one vertex is same as the altitude drawn from the same vertex. So all the medians are same means obviously all the altitudes are also same. Similarly here, two altitudes are of the same length. If you draw one altitude to here from this vertex and if you draw another altitude from this vertex, these two altitudes are same. But that is not equal to this. So this is all about you have to remember regarding the properties of the isosceles and equilateral triangle. So I hope you got clear idea about the topics which I have discussed in this video. If you have any doubts, shoot your queries without any hesitation. And in the next video, I'll come with another topic of the same chapter. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.